Hello guys, firstly sorry for I can't come on facecam for a few days. I have an auto light iron and time to unbox it, so let's start. Firstly see the specifications here. This product is from Toshiba and here is written long life coated sun plate and thermostatic lamp indicator, comfortable hand grip, code winner, and some more specifications here. Product from Auto Iron, model Priya, quantity 1 unit, wattage 750 watt, 230 volt, 50 Hz and AC. Color is not available. Maximum retail price is 1063 and that's all. Now time to open it. This is the look of the light iron. My iron is here. This is the iron. It has long wire. Really fantastic switch. Plate is looking awesome. It is gold color. Here is indicator. Looking very slim. Move it from approximately. Here is the warranty card from Tosiba. Instruction manual and warranty card. Auto light iron from Priya.